Hello everyone, my name is Petro, and in this video I'm going to show you the 15-piece set, bit set from Parkside. This specific one I paid $6.99 for, and I bought it from Lidl. But again, you should be able to get one of them from eBay or eBay, Amazon, or any other retailer online that sells tools. But again, I believe Lidl will have the advantage of selling this cheaper compared to any other retailer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show the outer packaging, the product around, and then of course we'll get to the product itself and how you can use it. So the product says it's very small, but there is also another similar product to this one, which has 32 pieces, which I'll make an unboxing in the future as well. So let's just zoom in so we can get started. There's some information on the front. So there are 15 bits in there, which you will see in a second. So on the side there's nothing, on the other side there's nothing. On the top side you can see some information here. So it says the name of the product, bit set, and also it says the identification code, I believe. So if I were to go now, it has this one as well, in case you're wondering what that is. Has an ID number as well. So at the bottom some other information with the barcode. And now I'm gonna try to open this one without tearing the paper that's holding it in place. So the way to open this one, to take it out without tearing the paper that's holding it in place, you'll have to push this one or the paper towards inside here. It's not easy. Let's see. Again, that's only if you want to keep the paper, but as you can see here, I teared a part of it, but I should be able to get it out. Yeah, there we are. So I managed to get it out. So a little bit of effort, but you can do it if you want to keep the packaging in one place. And this is the actual box itself. It looks very nice, tidy. Everything is in one place. It doesn't feel cheap at all. For $6.99, you're getting everything in a box. And also this one here rotates 360 degrees. So if you want to put this on your tool belt or hang it somewhere, you can actually do it. It has a place here, so you can hang it on your wall, or if you have a small workshop, you can have a space for it. There is no engraving or any other information around it, but there is some information here on the back. And that's it pretty much. So the way to open this one, you just pull that piece of plastic here up, and that's it pretty much. And then you get the 15 pieces in here, and of course you have different screwdriver, Phillips. You get different types of heads, and they come with colors. And of course on the plastic itself, you get engravings on what type of head they have. And the same thing will apply for the bottom one. And of course you get this one, I believe, to extend it. Again, I'm not entirely sure. Now, because these ones are slightly longer than the usual ones, which are small, and I will show you now. So if you, for example, have any type of adapter, such as this one is this specific one is a cordless screwdriver from Parkside, which I'll be making which I'll be making a video in the near future, hopefully. But this is the type of head or a normal one that I would use. But this specific one, they are slightly smaller from the area here. So even if you were to put one of them inside, it will just move around. So this one is not, unless you have some sort of adapter making it slightly bigger and then to smaller, then it should be fine. But this specific one won't, this specific tool won't do the job. And even if I use this black extended adapter here, and well, so the way to use this one is you'll take one of them, or whichever is in the box you want to use, and you pop it in there. You just push it, as simple as that, and it will go in there. It doesn't come out. But if you want to get this out, so this this metal black part here, you need to push it on the back. So you need to put a little bit of force, and then this will come out. So it has like a lock mechanism. So if I put this on the side, so this one won't do the job, But if you get like a cordless drill from Parkside, such as this one, this should be absolutely fine. So the way you would put this one in here. So if you rotate this black part here, if you rotate it, so if it's clockwise, you should be able to see the teeth. There's three teeth inside, so they would lock whatever you put in there in place. And if you do it anti-clockwise, then it will open it. So if I put that in there, then close it, it will hold it in place. Usually what you do to make it easier, if you have one of them, so you'll take that one, you'll put it in there, and what you'll do is you'll hold your hand with force on the black one, and once you press the power here on the drill, it will make a noise. You can hear the noise, and it has locked it in place. So that's now locked, and now you can use it. And again, to unlock it, you need either you'll do it by hand, clockwise to take it out, or then you can use the clockwise and anti-clockwise power on the actual drill itself. So these ones will work amazingly if you have any type of drill, either a Parkside or a similar one. You should be absolutely fine. So let me try something else. So in the specific one, cordless drill from Parkside, it has two bits. So it has this one, which you saw, and it has this one here. So the way to see that, so if you were to push the red one, push the red one towards on the left side, that will come out. Now I just want to see if these ones are able to be used here, and yes. So these ones are perfect for the Parkside cordless drill set, which I'll make a video in the future. So let me see. Yeah, so this one are perfect for that. Let me see if I can use this one. Then that will extend it. Again, this bit set is perfect if you're going to use a drill cordless drill, such as this one or any other drill, I believe. But again, I don't know if the other drills will have the option that the Parkside has, which you get two pieces. You get that one, which can use the bits, and then of course the actual head, which can use any other, make it from small to big to bigger, and so on and so forth. But definitely you can't use it in one of these. So unless you get an adapter which goes from big to slightly smaller, so it keeps that in place, you won't be able to use it. So let me just put everything back. And this is what you get. So you get 15 pieces. So you get seven at the top, 7 at the bottom, and the 15th piece is the actual adapter that makes it, I believe, longer, if I'm not wrong, just to extend it. But please pay attention that these ones are not the normal bits, because from what you can see from here, they are long. Where the color is, they are this long. Where usually the small ones wouldn't have this this part in the middle between here where my finger is till the blue color, which I'll show you in a different video, that the 32 piece bit set actually doesn't have that in the middle. But yeah, this is what you get. The product definitely feels good, of a good quality. I would say for me personally it feels premium, but again, based on the products I've had in the past, I didn't have any other very premium brands that are better than Parkside to know the difference. So for me, for $6.99, what you're paying for, you get everything in one box. They look nice, the product feels solid, and everything is in one place. So this is the 15-piece bit set from Parkside, which you can buy from Lidl for $6.99, or you can buy it online from any other retailer if they have stock of it, of course. Again, thank you guys for watching the video. Do press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will try to put as much content out there as possibly can. And again, take care and stay safe.